Hi, it's Sharika here from marketingbliss.co. In this video we'll be showing you how you can use Aweber to create free capture pages for your business opportunity or niche, or whatever business you're promoting. It's ideal for you. Now with Aweber, if you haven't got an account, all you simply would need to do is sign up through www.aweber.com. For the first month it's $1 fee, and after that it's $19 per month. But these are just one of the services you can use through them. Now once you have logged in to Aweber and you have set up your particular list depending on who you wanted to target, you would then have to go to your sign up form section. Now within that, if on the left hand side, if you go to create your first sign up form, it will give you a list of templates depending on what niche you're trying to target. These are just some of the standard ones you could use. If you go to the show more section, it will give you various different sections depending on what's relevant to your niche. Now say for example, if I was trying to target work at home mums, I might decide to select this tab, and these are just a selection of templates which are available. I'm going to just choose this one, and you can also change the colour combination, it's entirely up to you. It will load a standard template, but with this you can actually add your own text and images to it, so you can pinpoint your target even more specifically. So if you go to the top header above the template, I've already copied some text, I'm going to just put it in here. It will allow you to change the font size, font, whether you want it bold, italic, and also if you want to hyperlink it. So if you want to put a link in here that will divert to another page, you could do that, but for these purposes I will just show you the basic text, and if you just save that. Now allow you to put the text anywhere on the form, depends on where you want to position it. I'm also going to go back up and insert an image. Now as you can see here, it will ask you for your URL, and this will be the image for whatever one you choose to put in here. Now I've already got one, so I'm going to simply just copy the image URL, go back to the form and paste it in, and then press save. And exactly the same principle, you can put the image wherever you want to on this page. It will also allow you, if you wanted to, edit the header and also the footer, so you could put your own words on there, and you can also resize this as well. So I'm going to just spread it out a bit, and if you wanted to, you can also change the names that it has on here and the different sizes. It's entirely up to you, but I'm going to just leave it as it is, probably just reduce the size slightly. Okay, and close that down here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is go to step 2. On the left hand side, if you put the name of the form that you want to save it to, so I'll just put work at home mums, and on the below tab it will allow you to, say for example, if you wanted to add audio to it or you wanted to add a video, you could put the video URL. But for these purposes I'm going to just add my own URL link. Now this is the link that it will be diverted to once people opt in and put in their details, their name and their email address. I'm just going to put my link in here. And make sure you save the form. Once that has been done, if you then go to step 3, and it will give you these options. Now if you have got your own website, then you can actually get a URL from here and it will allow you to install the form, but I would advise you to use the bottom option, because this is a self-hosting link that they'll give you. So if you have a blog, or if you are promoting a product for a business opportunity, it will allow you to give you a URL link, and you can actually copy this link and put it on the page and use it as a capture page for your site. So you could just copy that and just put it wherever is relevant to you. But what I would advise you to do is preview it before you send it out. Now this is how the actual capture page will look, but as I showed you from the previous sections, you can actually change the size to make it smaller, wider. It's entirely up to you. but I would advise you first of all to test out the link to make sure that it does divert to the page you want it going to, by simply putting in your name and email address, to making sure when people opt in they're going to the correct site that you've directed them to. I really hope that you found this video beneficial, and for any more marketing tips or how-tos, then you can actually connect with me below. But I hope that you found this video insightful. Thank you. Bye.